Bring yourself into Shavasana, either on your mat or on the bed. If it's slightly cooler, then perhaps placing a blanket over you for some extra comfort or warmth. And just moving around until you feel comfortable. Making any final adjustments so that you can lay as still as possible. Having the feet apart and the toes dropped out to the sides. Having your arms a little bit away from the body with your palms facing upwards and your hands relaxed. Your mouth is closed, your jaw is relaxed. Your eyes are closed, muscles around the eyes are relaxed too. And become aware of the whole body, your whole physical body, lying on your mat or on the bed. And begin watching your breath. And keep it natural and spontaneous, breathing in and out through the nostrils. And perhaps as you exhale, you affirm that you let go of any tension, fully relaxing as you breathe out. As you continue to watch the breath and relax on every exhale, let your thoughts or feelings just pass you by without becoming involved. As you begin to feel more and more relaxed and at ease, see if you can allow the full weight of the body to be supported by the floor or the bed. You may begin to feel heavy, yet at the same time feel very light. Continue to breathe, natural and spontaneous. Every exhale and letting go. Begin now to listen to sounds around you. We'll begin by listening for sounds outside of the room that you're in. Begin listening for all the sounds, loud, soft, near or far away. See how far you can reach your awareness outside. And as you listen to the sounds, just practicing noticing the sounds, letting it go, and then passing on to the next sound. Searching for sounds, briefly just noticing and letting go. Bring your awareness now inside the room you're in. And now you're just listening for sounds within the room. Once again, they might be loud or soft. Just noticing, letting go, and then scanning your awareness for the next sound. Searching for sounds within the room. Now I invite you to bring your awareness into the body. Let your awareness arrive into the body and begin to notice any sounds or sensations that you can hear or feel within the body. Noticing the sound or sensation, letting it go, and then mindfully searching for a new sound or sensation. Scanning the body. Keeping the awareness within the body, we're now going to do a full body rotation. So I'm going to say a certain part of the physical body, and I'd like to invite you to either mentally repeat the name of each part of the body, or you could feel or visualize the part that's being named. Doing whatever feels most comfortable for you. I'd like you to bring your awareness now to your right thumb, the forefinger of the right hand, the middle finger, the ring finger, the little finger. Bring your awareness to your right palm, wrist, elbow, shoulder, and armpit. The right side of your waist, right hip, and right thigh. Your kneecap, calf, ankle, heel, sole, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Let your awareness gently scan up to your left thumb, forefinger of the left hand, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, left palm, wrist, elbow, shoulder, and armpit, left side of the waist, left hip, left thigh, kneecap, calf, ankle, heel, sole, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Right buttock, left buttock, right side of the back, left side of the back, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the whole spine from the bottom to the top, the back of your neck, back of the head, top of the head, forehead, right temple, left temple, right ear, left ear, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, right eye, left eye, right cheek, left cheek, the space between the eyebrows, your nose, upper lip, lower lip, chin, throat, right chest, left chest, upper abdomen, the navel, and lower abdomen, right leg, left leg, both legs, right arm, left arm, both arms, your trunk, and the head, the whole body, the whole physical body, the whole physical body. Let your awareness now gently find your navel center, your belly button. Feel into the breath at the navel center. Imagine the breath flowing in and out through the navel. Keep the mind actively aware and begin to count the breaths backwards at the navel. Mentally repeating the number 15 as you breathe in, and mentally repeating 15 as you breathe out. Mentally repeating 14 as you breathe in, mentally repeating 14 as you breathe out. Mentally repeating 13 as you breathe in, and 13 as you breathe out. Continuing until you get all the way down to 1. Keeping the awareness on navel center, silently counting the breaths in and out. If you find that you float off or become distracted, just beginning again from 15. And now just let go of that breath, just let it go. And slowly move the awareness from the navel all the way up to the forehead. Let your awareness go inside the back of the forehead, that space just behind the forehead that we stare out into. that dark, infinite space, the viewing screen of the mind. And now you're just sitting quietly, watching that space. Perhaps noticing any colors, any sensations, images. But being completely impartial to the activity of the mind and non-judgmental. Once again, just noticing, letting go, and going back into observing. Where is your awareness? Draw it back to the mind space. Just quietly watching. Allowing anything to happen. And feeling completely detached. Withdraw your awareness from your inner space now. And begin to observe the breath as you breathe gently, softly in and out through the nostrils. Slowly moving back into the body. As you continue to breathe, just feeling the body, the whole physical body, laying on the floor or on your bed. Becoming aware of your surroundings, your position in the room. As you continue to breathe, just gently moving the arms, the legs, maybe the head from side to side. If you'd like to bring the arms up overhead for a big stretch, then do that. When you're ready, gently bending the knees and then turning over onto your side. When you feel ready, coming to a comfortable seat and opening the eyes. Your relaxation is now complete. Namaste.